Welcome to Math Companion. So here, if you look at 32 and 8, they have something in common. That 32 and 8, they are multiples of 2. So therefore 32 is simply equal to 2 to the power of 5. And 8 is simply equal to 2 to the power of 3. So this is very important, and that's what we are going to use to work out this. Now on the left hand side, therefore, instead of 32, we are going to write it as 2 to the power of 5 and then raised to power 36 is equals to, instead of 8 on the right hand side, is going to be 2 to the power of 3 and multiply by x squared. Alright, now removing the brackets, we are going to have this as 2 to power 5 times 36, which is equals to 2 to power 3 times x squared, which is just 3x squared. Now, because the bases are the same, we are going to cancel them out. Hence, we'll be left with 5 times 36. 5 times 36 is equals to 3x squared. Now, I'm going to divide with 3 on both sides so that I can remain with x squared alone. In this case, we are going to have 5 times 36 divided by 3 is 12, which is equals to x squared. Now, this means x squared is equals to 60. And therefore, x will be equals to plus or minus the square root of 60. We can, however, write 60 as 60 can be written as 4 times 15, right? So therefore, we are going to write this as x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 4 times 15. So x therefore is going to be plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 15 when we separate the square roots or the numbers. Alright, so x is going to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2 and over the square root of 15. Alright, that is the answer for this easy question. Alright, please subscribe so that you get updated every time we post a very, very interesting question. Have a great time. Bye-bye.